Many early cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, have consolidated power and value into the hands of a very small number of people, and early miners have gained a great advantage to deliver on the promise of a fair and open peer-to-peer decentralized financial system. The cryptocurrency industry needs to see tokens widely distributed across a wide network. The extreme concentration of wealth and power runs counter to the concept of decentralization. The mining mechanism of the Pi network is a huge innovation on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whether it is in the early days of Pi network mining or now, the incentive mechanism of each miner is consistent and fair, and can be established by setting a security circle and promoting users, set up nodes and other incentives to contribute to the security and economy of the network. This is why many pioneers and latecomers who later mine are on top, and the Pi coins they mine are much higher than those of the early miners. This incentive mechanism is conducive to the continuous contribution of community miners and makes the network development stronger. 40 million active pioneers around the world make the distribution of Pi coins more dispersed. Pi network does not belong to a certain country. It belongs to the whole world. Pi network will inject new impetus into the global economy. Founder and product lead of Pi network, Dr. Fan Chendio, has expertise in human behavior, social computing, and human-computer interaction. Dr. Fan received his Ph.D. from the Department of Anthropological Sciences at Stanford University. Dr. Fan's previous work includes designing software systems to increase productivity, scale social communications, and provide consumers with untapped social capital. A lifelong technologist, Dr. Nicholas Cockley is the founder and technical director of Pi Network. Dr. Nicholas has an extensive background in blockchain technology and software types. In his early PhD, he created a framework for writing smart contracts on fault-tolerant distributed systems before the introduction of blockchain and Ethereum. As part of his postdoc, he also introduced and taught the Stanford Computer Science Department's Blockchain Decentralized Applications course. Prior to Pi, Nicholas and Dr. Fan had collaborated for 2 years, designing software systems to increase productivity, scale social communications, and tap untapped social capital. Pi Network is a massive open community powered by the world's most widely distributed cryptocurrency, providing accessibility and powering a robust ecosystem for users, merchants, and developers. Nicholas and Dr. Fan firmly believe in the technical, financial, and social potential of cryptocurrencies, but are frustrated by their current limitations, which is what motivated them to create Pi Network. They are committed to bringing the power of blockchain to more people by improving the current experience and creating value for everyone. To do this, Nicholas and Dr. Fan have upended the development process of new blockchains by adopting a user-centered design philosophy. Launch in beta. Invite members to join the network. Iterate on the protocol with members, and decentralize the final design. The wonders of blockchain technology can mobilize individuals around the world to participate and be rewarded for their contributions. Just as the internet has brought the world closer together through the exchange of information, blockchain and cryptocurrencies have made cooperation with the exchange of value closer and more frequent. Decentralization on the blockchain has allowed Dr. Nicholas to experience the difficulties of putting the technological advancements of the blockchain into the hands of ordinary people. Dr. Nicholas believes that technology today empowers people more than ever before. By researching similar topics, Nicholas and Dr. Fan created a blockchain Pi network that can solve all the problems that traditional blockchains cannot solve. One of the biggest challenges facing the Pi network so far is solving scalable KYC. Know your customer problems for a large-scale and widely distributed network. There is no affordable KYC alternative that can scale to the size of Pi network, which now stands at 40 million and counting. Addressing this challenge is a top priority for the Pi network. KYC ensures that users are who they say they are and is a key process in identifying user risks and whether users can meet the requirements of institutions to use their services. KYC is required to ensure compliance with laws and Pi network policies. Each member can have an account and only real people can participate in the ecosystem. The Pi network has tackled this challenge head-on by developing its own Pi KYC solution. The Pi KYC solution provides a novel and scalable approach to KYC by combining cutting-edge machine automation with innovative crowdsourced human verification by peer-vetted and verified individuals. While the machine-automated portion of the system handles tasks like image processing and fake identity detection, human verifiers check edited data from other members and KYC members from the community itself. In addition to preventing spam accounts and blocking bad actors, Pi KYC helps the network comply with regulations while smoothly growing its thriving community. What keeps us motivated and focused as we tackle this challenge is Pi's mission and vision, which are at the heart of all our decisions. This multi-pronged KYC solution perfectly represents how the entire Pi ecosystem works. A local, decentralized community where labor is exchanged for Pi tokens and real utility is created without fiat currency is involved. A native KYC solution is the best way for Pi network to deliver on its promise of fairness, inclusivity, and accessibility. Many companies in the cryptocurrency industry have been able to achieve great success in the short term, but may struggle with long-term steady growth. Factors such as the nascent nature of the industry, the hype and excitement surrounding certain projects, companies and trends, and a strong economy make this possible. However, as these factors change and market sentiment shifts, these companies may face challenges. Companies seeking long-term success in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry need to take time and patience to build products or services that truly add value to the space, educate those interested in crypto, and help crypto enthusiasts focus from the short term. Shifting back to long-term success requires making seemingly counterintuitive decisions at times. Clarifying their value proposition and creating real utility is key to building a strong foundation and remaining highly competitive over the long term. The Pi Network is revolutionizing the idea of a monetary system, the ability to align interests at scale, and then incentivize and mobilize people to achieve great things together. As we move more firmly into the Web3 world, blockchain is spawning new innovative applications and online experiences. While a major attribute of blockchains is decentralization, the focus on decentralization is primarily on the technical side, operating on a distributed system rather than the distribution itself. Barriers to entry, or value capture mechanisms. Only widely distributed tokens can effectively help bootstrap a utility-based ecosystem and help us reach the inflection point where blockchain permission systems can be adopted at scale. 80% of Pi tokens are given to the community and network. By making different contributions to the network, everyone can mine Pi without paying any fiat currency. Pi attempts to achieve and maintain wide distribution through its mining mechanism and ecosystem building. Blockchain accessibility is impacted by financial, technical, and intellectual barriers to entry, use and participation, and impacts distribution. To achieve accessibility, we need to come up with solutions to address these barriers at every step of the way for people to participate in the network, including the cost of mining or acquiring tokens, user-friendly and intuitive interfaces, user education, and community building. Free energy light mining on the mobile app has allowed Pi to grow to over 40 million community members using our cryptocurrency while contributing to the network. Simple developer experience加 user access. Blockchain technology doesn't have to be complicated. Pi Network's JavaScript software development kit, SDK, integrates with the blockchain, and various APIs provide basic functions for the application. No developer needs crypto and blockchain experience to provide services to a large and vibrant crypto community. We are at the beginning of this revolution, similar to the emergence of the internet. Few people understood it at first, but now they cannot live without it. We are privileged to be a part of and change the world together. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Your support is the driving force for my updates.